Hi, I'm Larry at Audio Advice, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about theater acoustics for your home theater, and it also applies a bit to a music room if you're going to do one. One of the things that we try and pride ourselves in is looking at the big picture of your project. So understanding where you want to go with your dream room, and we'll take some scientific measurements and try and look and see what some problem things might be. Room dimensions are a very important part of the equation because not every room is going to sound perfect. You might have too much bass, not enough bass. You might have echoes and vibrations that we need to address. We do that in a few ways. Sometimes just the absolute perfect placement of the speakers for your movie experience will give you great results, but chances are you're going to have some unwanted things in the room. One of the most common ones is not enough bass impact, so using more than one subwoofer we can usually tune the space to try and get a little bit more even bass distribution side to side, front to back. The other part of the room that we take a look at is the actual treatment of it. And I'm sure everybody's seen like the old 1970s and 80s, hang egg crates on the wall and make it, work to kill vibration. We have a lot more cosmetic improvements on that idea now. Also, there's a lot of science in acoustical treatments. Some absorb bass information, some absorb high frequency, some are actually doing something called diffusion, where you're kind of spreading the sound to make it a little bit more pleasant for something that's good in the room. The combination of diffusion and absorption are what we're really looking for. Another misconception is every square inch of the room needs to be treated. A lot of times we can calculate a percentage, and it might only be 30 or 40% of the room, to take out some of the unwanted consequences of having a speaker system trying to play in that space. Our goal is to try and give you what the original sound engineer saw and listened to when they were mixing the recordings. Once we're working on your project and have a full set of dimensions either measured on site or from an architect in the blueprints, we're able to provide a drawing to render what we think the room is going to sound like initially versus the end result. And then as we kind of move forward, you can pick what cosmetic choices you like for the treatments, and any of this information should be also available on our blogs for home theater acoustics, and obviously you can come in or give us a call for a consultation. And thank you very much.